Salam, salam. I'm here to do a earring of the week. Now, y'all, I've been so busy. I haven't had time to make really nothing new. I just been like so busy. So, if y'all see in this video, it is the first day of Kwanzaa. Umoja. Alright, y'all. Y'all been emailing me, asking me what are other videos coming up. You should be getting them today, between today and tomorrow. Today is December 26th. Tomorrow, so you'll get probably one today, which will be Nia, and then you'll get Kumba and the next day. So today is so y'all light y'all candles. I have my K.Noir, and y'all make sure y'all light y'all first unity candle, which is the black candle. All right, so let me show y'all the first pair. These so fly. Look at here. Y'all see how fly these is? These are by set, and they're one of a kind, y'all. I don't have this no more, but I am gonna make more, but they're not gonna be exactly like this. So this is the one of a kind pair, and then it has a little cat. You see that? Let me bring it back. And then you got like glitter going all the way around, and then in the back it's just glitter. But these are a conversation piece like you rocking by set. So by set is a Kemetic goddess. Look at here, y'all. These are dope. They dope. They dope. So this is the only pair. It's going to be on knoirdesigns.com. So these are the by sets. Beautiful. The next ones are the, if you look on her belt, it says self-love. It got a little heart. And then she got a belly chain on with an ankh. And then she got a rose tattoo. And then she got a little shirt. And then, you know, this is so, the black woman's body is so dope. We have a beautiful body. We bring babies in the world. So we shouldn't be ashamed of representing ourselves, and we have to make sure we give ourselves self-love. We need to embrace being a woman, and we need to embrace our femininity. So that's the front of them. They so dope. And then this is the back. This is the back of them. They say I love being me. And then right here it goes like on the front, you know, you see her chain, her waist beads, and then right here she is queen, say queen on the back of her waist beads. And then you know, she got a little pocket, a little apple bottom, and she got a little pocket with an ankh on it. And then she got the chakras going up her back, because this part is like her shirt, you know. Yeah, and then this one just say love me. So it's all about embracing your femininity, loving yourself, and all that. So this is dope. So y'all gotta go to knoirdesigns.com to get a pair of these. All right. So that's number 2. The next pairs are these, and it was a quote that Issa Rae said. She said, "I'm rooting for everybody black." Yeah, and they're just some little t-shirt earrings. You know how t-shirts be having different phrases on it, so I was like, these would be so fly just to create different things. So y'all gonna see a whole bunch of different t-shirt earrings, especially the summer coming up, the spring coming up, and y'all gonna see all different designs with t-shirts. So look, and y'all know all my earrings are lightweight, and these are also on K.Noir Designs. Alright, so this is another pair of the t-shirt earrings. I love black people, and these are fly. RBG. Yep. My first pair of earrings I sold on Etsy years ago. They was in Africa, and they say I love black people. So yep, and it's just black on the back, and then they would hang like that. Oops. They will thing like that. So fly. So fly. Alright, so that is it for those. I'm looking to see, do I have any more to show y'all after these? Okay. So the next pair are these. These are so dope. These are so dope. This idea came from one of my loyal supporters, soul sister. Me and her collaborated with this, and it just came out dope. I done sold a couple of pair of these. I'm also going to be creating one with locks and lock sheen and lock butter. So y'all look out for that one. Y'all see, let me show y'all the detail in her fro. She got her Boabw, which means femininity. It's a Dinker symbol. A lot of people just think it's an Afro pick, but it means so much more than just an Afro pick. And then the back is just black. Then this is, you know, Afro sheen was something we grew up with. I don't know if y'all know this, but Johnson passed earlier this year, mid this year. And her and her husband made a lot of black products for us. Natural hair. Alright, so this pair is fly. And the next pair, and this is a one-of-a-kind piece. So this is it, y'all. One say black power, and this is a fist. Y'all see the fist? And then I painted a little unk on here. I put red, black, and green. Ah, there is dope black power. Yes. And they're not really that big, but they very much a statement piece. Very much. All right, we gotta use our black power. Okay, the next pair I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all these. I'm not gonna sell these. These are a custom pair, but I am making a yin yang pair that y'all gonna like, and they're gonna be available. So these was just made for someone, and I just want to share them with y'all. So yeah, so she got the musical symbol, and I hand painted the yin and yang symbol. She loves a lot of flip-flop pair, and I love making flip-flop pair. Since the beginning of me creating, I always made flip-flop pair of earrings. All right, so that's those, and it's another pair that I created for her, which I have some Ninas on my page. She wanted these like in a certain colors, so I created these Ninas for her. They fly, right, y'all? I gotta gloss them, but they ready. They made. I just gotta gloss them. All right, and then this is the back. All right, so I wanted to share that. Oh, look, y'all. Well, I'll show y'all them in another video. All right, so that is it, fam. I hope y'all enjoyed them. I enjoy making these beautiful pieces to let y'all know my earrings is not just earrings. My earrings are special healing amulets. All right, I always remember that. It's dope energy going each pair. Y'all don't forget to pick up trash in your neighborhood. Don't forget to go to your local shelter or rescue and adopt a cat or a dog. And also, if you want to support this channel, you can send as low as $1, a PayPal link or my Cash App, to Queen Hattie for donating to the cats. And I also want to send a shout out to Tamika from the House of Akmak. She also donated. She donated to the channel. All right, y'all. So thank y'all, and I will be back with more videos. Salam, salam.